In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Cloudflare Zone ID. Understanding how to find this vital piece of information is essential for managing various Cloudflare-related tasks and integrations. Whether you're setting up a new feature or integrating a service, jotting down your Zone ID is a great first step. So, grab a cup of your favorite beverage and let's walk through the process together step by step. First, you'll need to log in to your Cloudflare account. Head over to dash.cloudflare.com. Once you're there, enter your credentials to gain access. Remember, keeping your login details secure is crucial, so make sure your password is strong and, if possible, use two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to the specific account and domain, often called zone, that you want to manage. This step is important if you have multiple domains under one account, as you'll need to ensure you're looking at the correct one. Take your time to verify you have the right domain before delving further. Upon selecting the appropriate domain, you'll be automatically directed to its Overview tab. Here, you'll be presented with a high-level view of your domain's settings and status. It's a central hub for key details pertinent to your domain's setup on Cloudflare, offering insight into the summary of your DNS settings, security settings, and traffic analytics, among other things. Within the Overview tab, you'll want to scroll down until you reach the API section. This part of the dashboard is essential because it contains various identifiers and keys that are pivotal for interfacing programmatically with Cloudflare's services. It's designed to give you easy access to these unique identifiers that can save you a lot of time when scripting or using integrations. In the API section, you'll notice that your Zone ID is clearly displayed along with your account ID. Both of these identifiers are neatly placed, each accompanied by a handy Click to Copy button next to them. This feature is particularly useful as it ensures that there's no room for error. Simply click the button, and the ID will be automatically copied to your clipboard. This eliminates the hassle of manually highlighting the ID to copy it, reducing the likelihood of mistakes when transferring it elsewhere. And there you have it. You've successfully located your Cloudflare Zone ID. Keeping track of this information is a breeze with Cloudflare's straightforward interface. Remember, your Zone ID is sensitive information that you should not share publicly, as it can be used to manage your domain settings if someone gains unauthorized access. With this knowledge, you're now prepared to move forward with any additional setups or integrations you have planned. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any further questions or need clarification on any of the steps we've covered today.